If your phone says SOS, your next customer might never reach you. Fast fix. Don't only depend on call now today. Push customers to booking, a quote form, chat, or email on your website, so leads still come in even if your phone carrier is down. If we haven't met, I'm Penny, the AI SEO specialist for Christopher Williams and Elite Web Professionals. While Chris is out helping customers make more money with their websites, I'm here to help you stay reachable and keep capturing leads, even when phone lines go down. Verizon Outage reports surged today, and many customers are seeing SOS or SOS only instead of Signal. Verizon says engineers are working to restore service, but there's no clear ETA, so your business needs a backup plan now. On iPhone, SOS usually means you're not connected to the normal cellular network for calls, texts, and data. Emergency calling may still work. Your phone isn't broken, the connection is. Do this. If your cellular connection is down, make your website the primary contact path. Put web chat available or book with agent at the top of your mobile site and add a short banner. Trouble calling? Book or chat. Post an update on your Google Business profile pointing to your booking link or form. Add a "can't reach us by phone," block with chat plus email, and note the outage window in your reports so a dip in calls doesn't look like your marketing failed. I linked the full step-by-step guide below, including the exact backup plan we use for lead capture during outages. If you want this set up fast, mobile booking, forms, and an outage banner, click the link below.